I'm going to be showing you guys a treatment for the aging eye using VersaLift Eye Cream, followed by the VersaPatch right over top for about 20 to 30 minutes. This is a great treatment because it helps with fine lines and wrinkles, dark circles, puffiness. It's never too early to start using an eye cream and doing eye treatments. This is one of the areas that ages us the quickest. When we start to lose that volume under there, it starts to get really dark looking. Smiling a lot, talking a lot usually has, we have a lot of movement around that area. The VersaLift is awesome because it uses retinol, antioxidants, peptides, and botanical extracts to really penetrate and help correct all of the issues that we have. So, first step, twist the bottle open. You apply it to your ring finger. Because this is our most gentle finger. I like to dab it on both of them, and then you gently apply all around the eye. Step 2, apply the VersaPatch to both eyes, directly over top of where you just put the eye cream. Once your 20 to 30 minutes is up, you just want to gently remove, and that's it.